Hey guys, my name's Noah Vander Erden and I'm the creative director here at Arc Digital. Video marketing has absolutely taken off over the past couple of years as consumers are consuming more online video content than ever before. I came across a statistic the other day and it said that 70% of marketing professionals report that video converts better than any other medium. It's stats like that make video very hard to ignore. The thing is, a lot of businesses avoid creating online content because it can be intimidating, and understandably so, but it doesn't have to be. I've put together a couple tips that can hopefully help kickstart your business into creating online video content. First, you've got a plan. The first step to creating video content for your business is planning. With everything you do on social media, there should always be a goal behind it, and video content is no different. Whatever you're creating, you want it to be as focused as possible with a very simple take-home message. Your goal could be anything from wanting to increase brand awareness to delivering information to the consumer. Whatever it may be, planning your video will help keep you concise and focused on getting your goal across to your audience. Next up, you've got to execute. So you have your video planned, and the second step into creating video content for your business is actually capturing it. Now, this is why most people neglect video content. They don't have the equipment, they don't have the knowledge, and hiring someone to do it is just too expensive. So we're gonna put it over here, brush it under the rug, and pretend it doesn't exist. Now, sure, fancy equipment and clean editing have their place. There's no doubt about it. But you can get started and see results without it. I know two things about you. You have access to a cell phone and you have access to lights. Grab your cell phone, find a light source, probably a window, then put your phone in selfie mode and start creating. Something as simple as this, something that you can do in your own home, is seriously all you need to get started. Facebook in particular is a very fast social media platform. It's constantly feeding its users content that quickly gets buried below new content. Oftentimes, a quick video is all that you need to get in front of that customer that needs to hear your message. And fun fact, a popular video marketing technique right now is rough video. Video that doesn't necessarily look like a polished ad. You see, because a video like this is rough and it doesn't resemble a traditional ad, people stop and listen, which is the most important part. Last but not least, don't overthink it. Not everything that you post to your social channel needs to be worthy of an Oscar. In fact, if you're posting content regularly, which you should be, it's inevitable that some pieces of content will pale in comparison to others. People have short attention spans and social media moves very fast. So as long as there's a goal behind what you're creating and the video itself provides some sort of value to the consumer, your business is going to be rocking the world of online video content. If you'd like to learn more about digital marketing, feel free to check out the rest of the content that we've published to our Facebook page. Other than that though, I hope that your business is able to use these video content creation tips, and I'll see you in the next video.